Welcome back once again to my kitchen where we share easy recipes, and today we are grilling chicken leg. Okay, it has the thigh and then the drumstick, so that is leg, full leg. We are going to grill that, and there are so many ways I prepare my grilled chicken, and this is actually one of the recipes which I decided to share with you. Hello, I'm Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So if today is the first time here, trust me, you will love it here. So please subscribe or follow for more videos. The first step is cleaning or washing your chicken very well. Trust me, if this step is not well done, you will not enjoy your chicken. Okay, so make sure you wash or clean it very well. So I am just going to show you how I do mine, and trust me, you will love it. I am not going to say that the food is not for me, it's for someone, so I'm just going to do it anyhow. No, anytime you are preparing something for someone, just make sure that you prepare it just like how you will eat it. Okay, if I'm preparing this at home for the family, trust me, I'll remove all those fats. So the same way I'm going to do, I'll remove all the fats, and that is the second step. Okay, after cleaning it, I will remove all the excess fats, cut all the bones you are seeing there. Okay, cut it, and then we can proceed. Now after that, you will see some feathers, you will see some things around the skin. Make sure you remove everything. Sometimes you will see some yellowish skin at the end of the drumstick, or where the drumstick is. At the end there, you have to remove all of that. Now with this, I wanted to remove all the feathers, but I decided to cut it instead because it wasn't looking nice to me. So make sure you cut all unnecessary things from the chicken before you proceed. One may ask, why won't you wear gloves? Wearing gloves is very hygienic, but trust me, preparing your food with very clean hands, most especially clean nails, oh my goodness, very clean nails, and if your nails are short, trust me, it's those ones are even the best than wearing gloves. One day I will just make sure I share that with you very detailed. Okay, I'm just trying to bring all those information together so that we share. Okay, yeah, so I'll cut that just like what you have seen, and then we can proceed. So that is the other step. After I was done, okay, what I did was I washed the chicken very well with my lemon juice, which you can use vinegar. Yes, before getting to this process, I have that video, or that part of the video, on my husband's phone. As for my husband's phone, some people always go through their husband's messages and their phones. Trust me, my husband's phone is always for my videos. Yes, I use it for business. So he's not around, and this is what I feel like posting today, so I don't have that part. Okay, but what I did was I washed it very well with lemon juice. I prefer that to vinegar. After that, I use the paper towel to wipe the water from it. Okay, I did it twice or 2 times. This is the second time I'm using the paper towel to wipe it, so that we can get it a bit dry. Even if it will not be very dry, it will be a bit dry before we proceed. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Please kindly like the video, share to others. Let me see your comment in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to know how you prepare your grilled chicken at home, so that I can also learn from you. You know, we learn from each other all the time. Thank you so much. My returning subscribers, thank you for always spending some time with me. So with this chicken, I have another set that I have cleaned. Okay, yes, I didn't want to pour everything in the sink for it to scare me, so that I will feel that it's too much when am I going to finish all this? So I did it bit by bit. Okay, so I have another set plus this set. It was actually 100 pieces. Okay, now I've added my powdered ginger. I added some chicken seasoning. I added my all-purpose seasoning. The all-purpose seasoning that I added, okay, contains soya spice. Okay, and now I'm adding some oil to it. That is olive oil. I'll just go ahead and then make sure every leg has perfect coat before we proceed. I hope you get it. So let's continue. At this moment, you can just go ahead and then wear your gloves if you want to. Okay, but make sure that if you wear gloves to clean your chicken like this, when you are coming to do any other thing, okay, you have to remove it, discard it, and then use another gloves because of food allergies. So there are so many things that we have to learn about these gloves. Okay, maybe you don't know, just use it anyhow. Some people will just use the same gloves, open dustbin, they will not throw it away, they will come and use it for the food. So many things. Anytime that I use gloves, okay, to prepare something or to prepare a recipe, sometimes I use like about 30 gloves a day. Yes, to prepare maybe 2 recipes, because you need to change it because of food allergies. Okay, so we will talk about that maybe in another video for you to understand, and then know that if you use your hand, it is safer, because that you can wash it, wipe your hands, and then you continue from that. I hope you get it. Yeah, now we are done with this, and I am just going to add my soy sauce to this. Okay, I prepared this, I think it was drumstick, okay, for this same person, and she liked it. So now she told me she wants chicken leg, and I should prepare it the same way. Now go ahead and then add oyster sauce, and then make sure I have that on the chicken leg very well before we continue. Thank you so much once again. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. Okay, if you want the recipes in a short video, like a minute duration or less than a minute, please follow us on all social media platforms, including our YouTube shorts, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, yeah, so I will just do the same thing to the other set, and then we can proceed. Now this is what we are going to put in the oven after we waited for some time. Okay, I can't bring everything here. Now we are done grilling it at 350 Fahrenheit till it was ready. This is another set. The one you saw was also another set. Okay, thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.